So, hi Capricorn, and welcome to your July 2020 reading. And this morning, I thought that it might save some time if I go live and do this reading for you guys up there, so you can get it as soon as I upload it. And just my luck, I had to keep recording and re-recording these few videos, and some 6 hours have gone by since the time I began, and so far we have only recorded Pisces and Aquarius. And for some reason or the other, the machines or technology softwares in Mercury retrograde aren't supporting anything, or maybe our days are not what they used to be. And we are expected to live a future where we're working primarily with machines. So, get a taste of that. How do you feel? So this may be the fourth or the fifth time I'm doing it for you, Capricorn. So just hang in there like I am. And I really don't know what's coming up for your side, but I hope it's all good and positive. So let's see. Let's go ahead. And if you enjoy watching such videos, please subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so you can get to know as soon as I upload a video. Let's see what's coming up for the sign of Capricorn in the month of July 2020. Oh my god, you wouldn't believe it, Capricorn, but the last reading that I did for you all, which was pulled off, I think it disappeared from YouTube, also had the first card as the Queen of Pentacles. So she's so adamant to appear in your reading that no matter what happens, she's going to come up. So let's see what's the next one. That's Ace of Cups, not bad. And then we have a Three of Pentacles. Oh my goodness, Capricorns. And in the last reading, the first card that I had was Queen of Cups, and the one on top of that was the very same card. So do you see how you have got to have this reading today, and the spirit will do anything to get it to you. Let's move on. Let's see what's coming up. Seven of Swords. And it's the card of the Wheel of Fortunes. Just give me one moment. I see some amazing times monetarily, idea-wise, and some opportunities coming to you in the month of July, Capricorn. I also feel that some of these ideas or opportunities may already be waiting for you, or maybe someone may have already been waiting to offer these to you, and that could come forward maybe in the first week or right after you are about to cross the first week of July. You need not worry about your expenses, or maybe where that financial help is going to come to you from, because with the Six of Pentacles appearing here in this position, I have no doubts that you are going to get help in time. And I also feel that maybe there could be a new relationship, or a rekindling a relationship, or maybe an old relationship being brushed and made to shine can happen in the month of July for you. I also feel that emotionally you could be feeling really in help, in need of a partnership or better communications from a partner if you've already got one. I am also seeing that towards the middle of the month of July, some good news is also expected. Now, this good news may come to you directly in your life, and that could be about you, or that could be a loved one in your life in the month of July, and that would make you feel happy also. And somewhere, because of this loved one's growth or success, you are feeling an edge over those around you. So it's that kind of feeling, when a child is appearing in a competition, maybe a sports day competition, and the child wins the race, or maybe that event, and the mother is over the moon. She's just bragging about this achievement to everyone about her child, and this is precisely the feeling I'm getting for you here. And you could be talking about it and feeling really, really proud about this moment, that you got an opportunity to to experience it in your life, and now you can boast about it and talk to other people about this and feel all just too proud about yourself. And towards the end of the month, I feel that you may not want to devote so much time to your work, and may want to you may be thinking about a lot of other opportunities, a lot of ways how you could make money, or maybe even how you can employ various people or resources without having to spend too much at the energy front, energetically, or maybe even financially. So you could be thinking on many lines towards the end of the month. I also feel that. Okay, give me. Yeah, that's coming out very strongly. So Capricorns, you need to take some time off, and I do remember saying this to you in the first 2 or 3 readings that I recorded, and now it's coming up again, and it's telling me to tell you that you guys need to take some time off from your daily hectic schedule. You may not be realizing this right now, but a lot of people, a lot of interaction, or giving too much of yourself to those around you could take a toll on your health, maybe your mental health or maybe your physical health. But you need to draw that boundary and come out from there, where someone can easily encroach into your personal space, and you no longer feel protected. You feel like you're out there in the open all the time. So Capricorns, this is what I'm getting for you in the month of July. I'm also seeing that there could be some good financial rewards or gains, and if you're not working, or maybe your rewards are not financial, there are some kind of rewards coming up for your sign in the month of July 2020. But do remember to take some time off your work or whatever you're doing, and relax. So I'm going to pull out some angel cards and see what these cards have to say for you. So angels, please tell me, what do you want to convey to the sign of Capricorn in the month of July 2020? Please show me clearly. Please show me clearly. Alright, I have life review here, Capricorns. So Archangel Jeremiel says, take inventory of your life and resolve to change or heal anything that is unbalanced. And my last few words were, take some time off to heal yourself, to just allow yourself that physical and mental space where you can grow and assimilate the learnings, the knowledge, the teachings, or everything that has come to you in the past few weeks. You so need this time off right now. And I'm going to pull out one more card. I have peace. So Archangel Chamuel says, peace comes from remembering that only love is real. And I have no doubt, somewhere in the month of July, I feel that Capricorns, you could want to express yourself, or you may be wanting, you could be this person wanting this additional, or maybe you may want someone to express their love to you or affection, or may become a little more communicative about it. And that's going to help you heal a lot. Yes. So that was for you, Capricorn. I hope you all sail through the month of July really, really smoothly. And lots of love and luck to each one of you. Please comment and let me know how these energies are playing in your life. And give it a thumbs up if you like this reading. Do not forget to subscribe, guys. I love coming here and working for you all. So if you like to receive such videos, you like to see such messages, please do subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Bye bye for now, and I'll meet you in the next reading. Bye.